Can all Tizen TVs install APK files?
Hello, Tech Explorers. In today's segment, we're diving deep into the world of Tizen TVs. The burning question we'll tackle is, can all Tizen TVs install APK files?
What is an APK?
Before we dive into the main question, let's briefly define what an APK is. APK stands for Android Package Kit. This is the file format that the Android operating system uses for distributing and installing mobile apps. In a sense, it's similar to the .x files that we're familiar with on Windows.
What is Tizen?
Next, let's talk about Tizen. Tizen is an open-source, Linux-based operating system used by Samsung on a variety of devices, including smart TVs. It's designed to be flexible and adaptable to many different types of devices, from TVs and smartphones to appliances and even cars.
Can Tizen TVs install APK files?
Now, on to our main question. Simply put, Tizen TVs cannot natively install APK files because APK files are specifically designed for the Android operating system. As we've mentioned, Tizen is a different, Linux-based OS. This means that, in general, an APK file can't be installed on a Tizen device any more than you could install a Windows program on a Mac, without using some kind of emulation or compatibility layer.
Is there a workaround?
Despite this, you may be wondering if there's a workaround. Technically, yes, but it's not straightforward. It involves a process called sideloading, where you manually install applications that aren't officially supported by the device's operating system. However, this process is complex, risky, and can void warranties. Therefore, it's not generally recommended, especially for users without advanced technical knowledge. So, to sum it all up, Tizen TVs can't natively install APK files. You can't simply download an APK and expect it to work on your Tizen TV. It's crucial to remember this to avoid potential disappointments and ensure that you're making full use of your TV's capabilities. Thanks for joining us today, Tech Explorers. We hope this video has been enlightening. Until next time, keep exploring,